Hello everyone. Our topic today is about developing an effective business model. The learning objectives of this topic is first, to understand the importance of business model to entrepreneur and to understand the key components of an effective business model for an entrepreneurial firm. As we know, a business idea needs to be tested in terms of it commercially viable. It's important to put a business idea into a framework befitting to the company's physical and financial ability. So now, let's see what is business model canvas. Entrepreneurs use business model canvas to describe, challenge, design, and invent business models more systematically. Okay, now let's look. What is the characteristics of an effective business model? First, your business model canvas must be about designing value propositions, which means the business must be a pain relievers and gain creators. Second, a business model must follow the concept of empathy. That means you have to put yourself in the customer's shoe by understanding their needs and wants. Third, business model canvas must be first, business model fit, second, product market fit, and third, problem solution fit. In another word, a business model describes the rationale of how an organization creates, delivers, and captures value in economic, social, cultural, or other contexts. The process of business model construction and modification is also called business model innovation and forms a part of business strategy. Alright, now let's test your power brain. How many business models can you think of for a cow? Let's see who knows the answer. Yeah, I hear some of you mention some valuable business models from a cow. Well, it could be a livestock electronic identification system, the RFID, or it could also be livestock booster vaccination for cattle. And it could be a business of a cattle washing or cleaning machine. So interesting. How about other business model from the cow? Can you name it? All of the business idea can be transformed into a business model canvas like this. It consists of 9 key components, starting from customer segments, customer relationships, channels, revenue streams. Key partners, key activities, key resources, cost structure, and finally, value propositions. All the 9 key components of BMC can be divided into 3 main categories. First, categories of things that cost money. Consists of key partners, key activities, key resources, and cost structure. Second, the mission. That means the value proposition of the business idea. The third category is things that make money. Consists of customer relations, channels, market and customer segments, and revenue streams and pricing model. Let's see the first category of BMC components. What are the components that make money? These are the components that make money. First, customer segment. which means for whom are we creating value? Second, the revenue streams. How much will these customers pay for the value we create? Third, channels. How do we deliver the value we create to the customer? Fourth, customer relationships. How do we create and maintain relationships with our customers? The second category of BMC components is the mission. Let's look what are the components falls under this category. Value proposition, which means what value do we deliver to the customer? Value proposition can be defined as when an entrepreneur able to solve problem faced by the customers and at the same time provide value better than competitor. Let me share with you the characteristics of a good value proposition, which is something unique, something that differentiates you, about the product, special benefits, plus points that your competitors lack, product surplus, description, value for customers, reason for purchase your product, and offered within limited time. You can use all of these words, all of these characteristics to do your value proposition. The third category of BMC components is what components that cost money. There are key resources, that means who and what will we need to create this value. Second, cost structure, how much will this cost to create and maintain. Third, key activities, what will we do with these resources to build value. Fourth, key partners, who would we partner with that will provide us with key resources or key activities. Let's look how Les Kopak Production Sendirian Berhad developed their business model. As you know, Les Kopak is the most famous animation production company in Malaysia. In fact, it has developed its business globally. Les Kopak has 5 business subsidiaries, consists of LC Merchandising, LCGDI or Games, Les Kopak Flava or Restaurant, Les Kopak Animation Academy, and LC Film. As you can see here, this is the business model canvas for Les Kopak. For example, who is the customers? The customers of Les Kopak are among children, family, corporate business, and NGO. Let's look who is the key partners of Les Kopak. They are government agencies, merchandise supplier, and investors. And how about the revenue stream? How Les Kopak receive or gain income from the business? Yes, from movie, advertising, and trading of merchandise. This is another example of business model canvas for Atkins Dieter vending machine. This is another business model canvas for a business relating to Atkins Diet Meal vending machine. So as you can see here, the customer segments for the business is the overweight or obese people, the Atkins Dieter, working people, middle income, and federal territory population. What about the value propositions for this business? It's hassle-free, ready to eat because it's a vending machine food put in the vending machine, so it's hassle-free, ready to eat. It's accessible. The vending machine is everywhere. Accurate. What you put in the vending machine will produce to you. Tastes like home cooked and halal certified. So this is the value propositions for this product. How about the cost structure? The value driven is a premium quality price. Cost involves in terms of acquisition of vending machine and systems, fresh raw materials, cost of production and maintenance, as well as staff. How about the key activities? Sales of Atkins meal via self-service vending machine. Sales of Atkins buddy system. So these are the examples of business model canvas. Nowadays, there are so many templates of business model canvas that you can use, that entrepreneur can use to develop their business model, including Canvanizer, an online business model canvas that allow entrepreneur to create their own business model. You can go to this link, canvanizer.com, to try on your own business model. You can go to canvanizer.com and click create canvas. So you can select canvas template category that you liked. For example, I select business template. Now you can choose either you want to use business model canvas or lean canvas or lean change canvas. Let's say we try business model canvas. Right, you just type your canvas title name. Let's say I type and input your email address. Click I'm not a robot and start canvanizing. When this page appears, you click edit your canvas now. Just close it and you can start designing your own canvas by inserting what are the content of for each components. There are 9 components here, as I mentioned just now to you. The first one is key partners. Just insert who is the key partners for your vending machine. For example, the Atkins Diet Club. You can write the notes, who are the members of the Atkins Diet Club, or you just post it, save, and it appears here. Next, maybe the other key partners is exercise center or slimming center. Save. And you can try for the rest of the components. These activities is like a post-it notes to your business model canvas. It will be interesting if you can discuss this with your group member. Once you have finished with your business model canvas, you can click Share Canvas. You can embed widget. You can invite team by email. You can get the slideshow link and share with me, or you can get the canvas links, even a share slideshow on Twitter. So that is how Canvanizer works. Besides using Canvanizer.com, you can develop your own business model canvas using the template that I showed to you just now. Now, let's do activity for this topic. Brainstorm with your group members. Go to Canvanizer.com or any BMC template. Choose any suitable BMC template that you can use to develop your business idea that you have discussed with your team member before. And once you completed developing your BMC, submit the work